Hi guys, today's video is going to be very interesting because we have some new members with us. They are new learner and today we will teach this technique and also test how well this technique work. If someone strangles you from behind with the stick, then how should you defend yourself? Watch the full technique because this technique is going to be very interesting. So let's start the technique. If someone strangles you from behind with the stick and pulls you back, in this situation, when he is pulling you backwards, you don't have to bend your body backwards like a bridge position because this position is dangerous for you. In this situation, first of all, you have to hold the stick with both of your hands and pull forward like this and then quickly place your leg in this position. When you do this, you can see that both of his arms are off balance due to your hunch of shoulder. As soon as he loses his balance, you have to quickly get your head out from under him and swing his arm in such a way, and then you can punch on his face or do any attack. Guys, let's show you this technique with the tall guy. That technique will work or not. Guys, now we test this technique, how well it works if a newbie learns it. Now most of the users here are newbie. Then we will show this technique in turns. So watch this interesting technique. Check out how these two are newbie doing this technique. Guys, must tell us in comment box how did you like today's technique. If you like this technique, then share our video and subscribe our channel so that we bring more interesting techniques for you. And if you want to learn this technique, and follow the instruction very strictly. And if you want to learn this technique, then do the practice daily 30 to 40 times in a day. Thank you guys.